All right, folks, we're here at the ADI Expo 2026, but I bumped into my very good old friend, George from AIM Security. So with AIM Security, right, you guys do a lot of stuff. I've been seeing you guys have captured downtown now, right?
Yeah, we do. We've been really fortunate.
Yeah.
We started downtown Toronto and expanded across Canada.
Yeah.
And it's amazing what you do in this industry, because if you talk to anybody in the industry, it's always hard getting skilled techs.
Right.
And we've hired a few techs from your company, and truly amazing. I was truly impressed. So what you're doing for this industry is a very important niche that it's really needed, and I appreciate you so much, and I'm sure all the companies out there appreciate the quality of techs that you're putting out to the industry.
I hope we did not let you down.
No.
Yeah.
No. Truly impressed.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for taking the time.